I'm Nurse Miriam, and if you're watching this, you're probably about to take the NCLEX. Maybe you're feeling a little overwhelmed, a little stressed, maybe even a little terrified. Is it even possible to conquer this beast of an exam in just 30 days? Trust me, I get it. But I'm here to tell you that not only is it possible, it's totally doable. I've helped thousands of students just like you walk across that graduation stage and into their dream nursing careers. And today, I'm sharing my secrets to NCLEX success. We're talking about a focused, strategic, step-by-step battle plan to help you ace this exam. So grab your highlighters, get comfy, and let's dive into your ultimate 30-day NCLEX study guide. Alright, future nurses, day 1 starts now. Before we crack open those textbooks, we need to know what we're up against. It's time to take a Diagnostic NCLEX practice exam. Find a free practice test at nursecareerblueprint.com. The goal isn't a perfect score, but to know your strengths and weaknesses. This diagnostic exam is your roadmap to success. Highlight areas where you struggled. This is your personalized NCLEX battle plan. Ready to see where you stand? Let's do this. Now that you've stared your NCLEX fears in the face, you're braver than you think, it's time to organize your attack. Treat this like a full-time job for 30 days. Show up consistently and put in the work. Download our free NCLEX study at nursecareerblueprint.com. Remember, you've got this. Let's dive into content review. Week 1, tackle high-yield NCLEX systems, cardiovascular, respiratory, renal, and gastrointestinal systems. Focus on nursing priorities, key assessments, and interventions. Use videos, flashcards, and podcasts. End with a comprehensive review and quiz. Let's be real, pharmacology and lab values are the bread and butter of the NCLEX. They're like those recurring characters in a TV show. They just keep popping up. But don't worry, it is doable. In week 2, you will focus on the heavy hitters. For pharmacology, start by mastering the top 10 NCLEX medications: digoxin, furosemide, insulin, warfarin. You know the drill. Make sure you understand their mechanisms of action, common side effects, nursing implications, and most importantly, their antidotes. Remember, safety first. When it comes to lab values, prioritize the must-knows: sodium, potassium, INR, burn, creatinine, and ABGs. To make these concepts stick, get creative. Create mnemonics, use flashcards, or even write songs, whatever helps you remember. And most importantly, practice applying this knowledge to NCLEX style questions. Okay, let's talk strategy. The NCLEX isn't just about what you know, it's about how you think. Use the true or false method for SATA questions. Read each choice separately. If it's true, it's a potential answer. If false, cross it off. Watch out for extreme words like always, never, all, or none. These often indicate an incorrect answer. Practice 50 to 75 questions daily and review rationales. Alright, champions, it's time to put all your hard work to the test. Week 3 and week 4, we're tackling not 1, but 2 full-length practice exams, just like the real deal. Think of it as your NCLEX dress rehearsal. Mark your calendar, find a quiet spot, grab your lucky pen, and settle in for a 75 to 145 question marathon. I recommend taking this serious And yes, that means no music, no phone breaks, no distractions, just you and your nursing knowledge. Now, the real magic happens after the exam. Really analyze your performance. How long did you spend on each question? Were there any high yield topics you missed? Did you notice any patterns in your mistakes? You've put in the work, you've faced the practice exams, and now it's time to fine-tune your knowledge. Week 4, you're revisiting those priority topics that tend to trip students up. First up, mental health nursing. Brush up on your therapeutic communication techniques, suicide precautions, and common psychiatric medications. Next, let's talk pediatrics and maternity. Know those immunization schedules like the back of your hand, review those developmental milestones, and be prepared to handle any pregnancy complication that comes your way. And finally, don't forget about infection control. Master those isolation precautions. Perfect your PPE donning and doffing skills, and be ready to answer questions about preventing the spread of infection. Focus on case-based or NGN-style questions to mimic the critical thinking and clinical judgment skills you'll need on test day. Take a moment to celebrate how far you've come. You're in the home stretch now. Take a step back to assess your progress and make sure you're on track for NCLEX success. First, pull out those practice exam results from week 1 and week 3. Have your scores improved? Are you consistently scoring 70% or higher? That's typically a good indicator that you're in NCLEX ready territory. Next, analyze your performance on specific topics. Are you a rock star when it comes to priority and safety questions? Are you still struggling with delegation or pharmacology? Identifying your strengths and weaknesses will help you target your study efforts in these final weeks. Focus on solidifying what you already know and mastering those high-yield concepts. It's crunch time. With just a few days left until the NCLEX, it's all about maximizing your study time and keeping those key concepts fresh in your mind. Embrace the power of rapid review. Flashcards are your new best friends. Create decks for each major topic area and quiz yourself for 5 to 10 minutes each morning and evening. Another great tool for rapid review is cheat sheets or quick sheets. Keep these handy for quick reference and last-minute review. You've put in the work. Now show the NCLEX what you're made of. Prioritize sleep and mental preparation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Double check all logistics. Have your ID and documents ready. Walk in confidently and rock the NCLEX. You did it. You made it through the ultimate 30-day NCLEX study plan. Now, take a deep breath and give yourself a huge pat on the back. You deserve it. Remember, passing the NCLEX isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. You've put in the work, you've honed your test-taking skills, and you're ready to embark on this exciting new chapter in your nursing journey. And remember, nursecareerblueprint.com is here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe. Now go out there and make me proud.